That's how I vlog the entirety of VidCon. And that's how you can vlog whilst on the go. Now you may be going to an event, or you may be going out and about, or you just need an excuse to find some way to make more content. I'm going to tell you how I vlog on the go and how I vlogged most of my VidCon with a small tripod and a mobile phone. But I do need to get going, so why not come with me?
Going down. Doors open.
So when vlogging on the go, you can use your mobile phone. You need to pay attention to what they can hear though. So I'm walking over to the Excel Centre for VidCon. It's a bit windy. So you either hide away or you get one of those microphones with the dead cat on it. But making simple changes can make a huge difference. Either hide indoors, there's no wind, or pick a kind of secluded spot to vlog in. Now the advantage of being out and about is you can show everyone what you're looking at. So why not create B-roll, tell the story with pictures? So I'm going to go get a Costa because coffee is needed this morning. B-roll is a good way to add additional footage to your adventures. Plus, it gives you context to what you're doing, where you're doing it, and how it can affect you. Add storytelling elements, so you don't have to carry it yourself with your own personality if you can't, but everyone likes to see a good cup of coffee, or some scenery, some landscape, or the thing that you're showing off in itself. Maybe you're skydiving, maybe you're petting your local farmyard animals. Let us know. Show it to us, because show, don't tell, has always been a storytelling trick. Lighting can be difficult when it comes to being out and about. Either you're out in the sun, where it's natural and bright, or you might be indoors, where you're controlled by the lighting around you. Now this shopping mall has quite high, bright, white light bulbs, so it does quite well. But if you're out and about, maybe in a normal house, and you're using orange tinted things, you might have to colour grade the footage later. Now vlogging on the go doesn't need to be any different than any other situation. You can still run on scripts and bullet points, you can still run off the top of your head and your passion, you can still teach people something, or you can still focus in on things. Granted, you're not going to be able to do let's plays whilst walking on the go, but it's a good storytelling clue, a good storytelling tool that anyone can use. Now a very important lesson when vlogging on the go is paying attention to the ambient noise. If you're sat in your office and you're able to control your environment, you won't have to worry about noises that might give you issues with copyrights and things like that. I'm in the middle of a shopping mall, they're playing ambient music, so I have to be wary of the songs, because it might either cause copyright issues, cause strikes, or might be a pain to edit later, ruining a really good shot. But you can always take B-roll, mute it, and put captions over, or just use it as some kind of storytelling footage later. One thing people struggle with often is the perception of vlogging out in public. Nobody cares. Everyone's focused on themselves, and even if they do think you look a bit weird, if you ignore them, it doesn't matter. Trust me, the more you do it, the more you get used to it. And I'll be honest, the more confident I've become in doing so, which then comes across in the video that it doesn't matter. Just create the story, deliver the message, enjoy doing it, and you'll be fine. Also, you've got a load of unique experiences. You can take fantastic angles. I'm on an escalator. You can enjoy that ride. You get to tell the story, right, and bring people along with you. And you get to, you know, include random people around that loves to be on video. Hello.
Hiya.
Right? Because it makes people smile. So if you're vlogging on the go, take advantage of what's around you, because you won't necessarily always get those angles from your office at home. For more tips and tricks on vlogging on the go and my VidCon diaries, go and check out the playlist here.